Cozmo and Vector are small consumer robots originally made by Anki. Cozmo is an educational, programmable robot. It is best for kids, students, and beginners learning robotics and coding. It can play games with you, such as cube games, racing, and reactions. It can show emotions using animated eyes and sounds. App-controlled via smartphone or tablet. Vector is an autonomous smart robot. It is best for adults, tech lovers, smart home enthusiasts. It has voice-controlled and autonomous movement. It has facial recognition, cloud-connected AI, obstacle detection, and navigation. It can answer questions about weather, time, and information. Cozmo can learn coding, visual block coding and Python SDK for advanced users. It can recognize faces and objects. It can react to movement, sound, and touch. It does not work alone, it needs the app. It has no voice assistant, and it has limited autonomy. Cozmo is a cute robot tutor for learning programming. Vector shows personality and emotions. It is programmable via SDK such as Python and ROS-style integrations. Many features now require a paid subscription. Vector is not designed mainly for kids. It is less game-like than Cozmo. Vector is more like a mini smart assistant with personality. Choose Cozmo if you want learning coding, educational fun for kids, hands-on programming practice. Choose Vector if you want a smart desktop companion, voice interaction, and autonomous AI behavior.